Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy People's back again on this YouTube channel. So today, this is the episode 2 of this trading of starting up your forex trading account as a beginner. So I'm super excited on this episode because I'm gonna emphasize you guys a lot about forex trading and other things, guys. Guys, you're about to hit 1k subscribers on this channel. So if you are a new beginner here or you are a new subscriber here, just turn up the notification bell and click the like button to stay tuned and to stay notified whenever we post or upload any educative content. In this video, I'm going to give you guys the full step on how to start up your forex trading account. So the number one full step which we are going to discuss today is about I'm going to discuss mostly about forex brokers. If you're starting up your forex trading account or your forex trading journey, you have to make sure that you have a reliable broker that you want to invest your money on or you want to put on your money on. So the number one step which I'm going to advise you guys, or I'm going to give you guys these full steps on how to start up this forex trading account. Number one is security. So the security is all about you knowing the broker or the brokerage which you want to invest on. You have to make sure that these brokers that you are investing on is a regulated broker, and also is a broker which everyone is investing or trading with. So number two, depositing and withdrawal. Depositing and withdrawal is the most important part of this video, because you wouldn't like to invest your money where which broker doesn't accept your depositing, your local banking depositing amounts. You want to trade with a broker that can allow you to deposit through your bank and also allow you to withdraw through your bank, or if you also can allow you withdraw through crypto or also deposit through crypto, depending on which method you like. So these brokers, this is the standard way. You have to make sure that these brokers accept your local banking transactions. Number three, you have to consider spread as a good way of knowing a good broker, because if a broker spread isn't tight, you understand, there are some brokers that their spread is very huge, that your entry point and your exit point are almost like when you enter a trade, before it runs into a profit, then you like the ask price and bid price have to move down to your entry point before it gives you a good profit. So you have to make sure that these spreads of these brokers are very tight. You have to check if their spread is tight, like limits of from 3 tight spreads down. So that's how you know a good broker. So when you consider spread on your account, you make sure that when you execute a trade, immediately once it is in a profit, it gives you that immediate profit, and once it is in a loss, it also gives you that losing amount, not charging you any commission, or any spread amount. So these spread are like what brokers charge you to buy or sell a certain pair for you. When you consider spread, it also helps on your trading. It also helps you to boost your trading, your execution, and everything. Number 4 is about speed. The speed rate of their execution will tell you how good these brokers are. There are some brokers that when you open a trade, it takes time for them to execute the trade before it reaches to their server and execute, or you place a buy limit or a sell limit, before it reaches to them, the trade has already went through and trigger your limit, then start going up. So you have to make sure that these brokers has a fast execution speed rate, and also when this trade is hitting your TP, it also exceeds those TP or SL limit that you place. There are some brokers when the trade or when the price hits your TP, it wouldn't close, it will just stay there to unit its push away. So you make sure that this brokers has a good speed rate of execution. So number 5, these brokers have to have a good support, where you can speak to them, where you can call them, where you can chat them on your issues, both withdrawal issues or your depositing issues. So any broker that you are selecting, you make sure that you can also contact them, you can also reach them fastly. You understand? Once you reach them fastly, it also gives you that potentials of you having confidence on those brokers. Earning from demo account gives you a potentials of not losing your hard-earned money. Demo account is also the same thing as when you fund your account. If you are trading on demo account, it will enable you not to lose up all your money or anything. Even though you lose money, they are not gonna charge you of any fee. If you are done logging in, all you can do is to just make sure you have download your MT4 or MT5. So we have these two apps that you can use to trade. When you open your broker, it's different, and you also need to have a MT4 or MT5 app on your phone. What does this MT4 or MT5 does is that this MT4 and MT5 is where you execute your trade. You don't execute trade on your broker platform, although you can do that, but we use MT4 and MT5 to execute trade. So if you are using iOS, I don't think if you can download your MT4 or MT5 on iOS app for now. So if you're using Android, you can use Android to download MT4 and MT5, or if you already have MT4 or MT5 on your app, all you can do is just log in or sign in to your MetaTrader 5. When you are not done opening your demo account, all you can do is to start blowing up shit. Blow as much as you can, as much any amount you can, just blow it. But I'm not advising anybody to, when you open a demo account, you should blow it up. What demo account serve as to, demo account helps you to start back testing your strategies, putting on trade, executing trade without you losing money. So that's the help of any demo account. And with demo account, you can also test your strategy, backtest everything, know how much spread they are, know how much they charge on each any currency pairs. There are some currency pairs there are some currency pairs like gold. You cannot use the amount of pips or amount of stop loss that you apply on gold on another pair like Euro USD. If you can apply like 20 pips stop loss or 15 pips stop loss on Euro USD or GGP USD, on gold you cannot use such amount of pips. You understand? So on gold has its calculation of pips which you are going to apply. So that's what demo account helps you. When you start practicing a demo account, you know amount of pips, what goes with you, what goes around with you, and the amount of money you can lose whenever you put on a trade, and amount of money you can make on that certain pair. And when you are doing that, you have to jot everything down, write everything down, make sure you master your trading, have a trading plan, and also know the amount of money you will be risking on each trade. You don't need to trade every day to make profit. Profitable traders don't trade every time in a week. Highest they trade 3 to 2 times in a week. So that's what makes you a good and a profitable trader. If you're watching this video right now, I really appreciate that you just subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell. You can also like and comment on what you think. You can ask questions on the comment section. I really appreciate, and also I reply to you all as soon as possible. Once you comment, I see the comment, I'll reply you as soon as possible. You can ask questions on the comment section. We are about hitting 1K subscribers on this channel. I really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you and peace up. Stay tuned on the next one, the episode 3 of this series.